Hello friends, this is Vinay from ICE Interview. Today we will discuss a very most important interview topics related architecture patterns in Swift. So friends, this is very most common interview questions asked in every ICE interview. So moving further on the video, if you did not subscribe my channel till now, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for getting such type informative videos related iOS interview. So friends, being the richest man in the cemetery doesn't matter to me. Going to bed at night saying we have done something wonderful, that's what matters to me. This is quote by Steve Jobs. So moving further on the video topics we will cover on this video are introduction, model view controller, MVC, model view model, MVVM, model view presenter, MVP, coordinator, clean architecture, Viper. Consideration for choosing an architecture and conclusion. So friends, moving on introduction, architecture patterns in software development dictate how the code for an application is organized and how different components of the application interact with each other in Swift as in other programming languages. There are several architecture patterns commonly used. Each has its own strength and is suitable for different types of applications and team structures. Number 1, Model View Controller MVC description. MVC divides the application into three interconnected components: the model, the view, and the coordinator. Model handles the data and business logic. View manages the display and UI elements, and controller acts as an intermediary between the model and the view, handling user input and updating the view. Usage in Swift: traditional and widely used in iOS app development, especially with UIKit. Number 2, model view model MVVM description. MVVM separates the UI view from its logic and state view model. Model contains the data and business logic. View represents the UI components. View model holds the presentation logic and state and transforms model information into values that can be displayed on a view. Benefits: better separation of concerns than MVC, easier to test. Usage in Swift gaining popularity, especially with the advent of Swift UI. Number 3, Model View Presenter MVP description. Similar to MVC, but the presenter contains the UI logic. Model manages the data, view, passive interface that displays data and delegates user input to the presenter. Presenter acts as a middleman, handles all presentation logic and state, updating the view. Benefits: clear separation between the view and the model. Usage in Swift less common but useful in complex applications where the separation of concerns is a priority. Number 4, coordinator description focuses on navigation logic in an application. Coordinator handles navigation logic, deciding what happens when a user interacts with the UI. Benefits: reduces the responsibility of view controllers, making them more modular and testable. Usage in Swift often used alongside other patterns like MVC or MVVM to manage the flow of the application separately. Number 5, clean architecture Viper description. Viper is an acronym for View, Interactor, Presenter, Entity, and Router. Components: View displays the content to the user, interactor contains the business logic, presenter prepares data from the interactor to be displayed in the view, entity contains basic model objects used by the interactor, router handles navigation logic, benefits highly modular, each component has distinct responsibility, easier to isolate dependencies and test. Usage in Swift, suitable for larger, more complex applications where scalability and testability are crucial. Considerations for choosing an architecture: project size and complexity. Simpler patterns like MVC are often sufficient for small projects, while larger projects may benefit from more complex patterns like Viper or Clean architecture. Testability: patterns that promote separation of concerns like MVVM or Viper are easier to test. Maintainability: consider how easy it is to maintain and scale the application with each architecture. Team familiarity: the team's familiarity with a pattern can significantly impact development speed and quality. So, friends, moving on conclusion, each architecture patterns has its pros and cons, and the choice often depends on the specific needs of the project, team preferences, and the nature of the application being developed. In Swift development, particularly with Swift UI, MVVM has become increasingly popular due to its compatibility with Swift UI data driven design. So, friends, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for getting such type informative video related iOS interview. Thank you.